अहं स्क्रीन शेयर करोमि। सिंचना महोदये कृपया मम प्रार्थना श्लोकं दृष्ट्वा भवती पठतु।
हाँ महोदय।
आं महोदये आम्। स्क्रीन दृश्यते वा?
आं महोदय।
सिंचना महोदय कृपया प्रार्थना श्लोकः पठतु।
ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणे विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि निर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
सम्यक्। अत्र सहना भवतु नास्ति किल? चिन्ता नास्ति। गतकक्षायां वयं वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय श्लोकस्य अर्थः Can you hear me well?
आं महोदय।
Okay. So last class gata kakshayam vayam Vakratunda Mahakaya shlokasya artah patamah. So who can tell me Vakratunda Mahakaya meaning in a very short sense? Kripaya video on karotu. Kripaya. Survey.
Mahoday, some technical issue. I'm not able to switch on. Tried to 2-3 times.
Chinta nasti.
Yes, sorry.
No problem. Okay, Sriram Mahoday, please tell the meaning for Vakratunda Mahakaya.
Vakratunda is curved face,
trunk,
curved trunk.
Mahakaya, big bodied,
yeah, big bodied. Millions of suns.
Splendor. Whose splendor is equal to the
millions of suns. Yeah. Nirvignam, without any obstacles. Kurume Deva. Whatever I do, Deva is without any obstacles. Sarva Karyeshu, all the work that I do, Sarvada, that means
always.
Yeah, always.
So Nirvignam Kurume Deva. Kurume Deva is for me.
For me. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so that is the meaning. Then Sarvada means always. Okay. Now let's see for the next one. Saraswati Namastubhyam. So what is the meaning of, anybody can guess?
Saraswati is Saraswati.
Somebody else can try, Sriram Mahoday.
Yes, Saraswati Namastubhyam means I bow down or do naman to Mother Saraswati. And Varade Kamarupini. That is, I'm not aware of Varade Kamarupini.
Okay, no problem. I will tell, no problem. Maybe I'm asking a little too much. Saraswati, it says it's a small e, right? It's not Dirga e, it's a small e, Saraswati. Which means when we call a person, we should make it in Sanskritam, we make it short. Like Gauri will become Gauri, Parvati will become Parvati. But this is when you call somebody. So Saraswati, it is a direct address. Saraswati, Namaha Tubhyam. I do prostrations to you, salutations to you. Varade. Varade means she gives boons. Varam means boons. Varade. Do you know of this Varadarajan temple in Kanchipuram? Anybody is familiar of Varadarajan? temple Kanchipuram. So Varada there means Varada means giving boons. So you can use it for both genders. Varadan is for a male, Varada is for a female. So Varade is a giver of boons. Kama Rupini, she gives all desires, all our desires. It is all address. Varade, Kama Rupini, Saraswati. Vidya Arambam Karishyami. Vidyayaha Arambam. I am beginning my studies. Vidyaha Arambam Aham Karishyami. Siddhir Bhavatu me Sada. For me. Here also me is for me. Sada always. Siddhihi Bhavatu. Meaning it has to be fulfilled. Whatever Vidya I am taking up, it has to be fulfilled. So that's the meaning. Did I explain it clearly? Should I do it one more time? Any doubts? I can say that again. Maybe I went a little faster. Saraswati is when you're calling, addressing, hey Saraswati, Namaha Tubhyam, my salutations to you. Varade, a giver of boons. Vara means boons. Varade, giver of boons. Kama Rupini, fulfiller of wishes. Vidya Arambam. So I am starting my Karishyami. I am starting the my studies. Siddhihi Bhavatu. Let it become fulfilled. Siddhihi Bhavatu. For who? For me. Me. Sada. Always. Yeah. I hope that's clear. Okay. Who has typed something in chat? Not able to switch on. Okay, no problem. So what was I saying? So what last class we learned Pullingam, Strilingam, and today this class we will learn Napumsakalingam. Lalita Mohoday, if you are able to switch on the video, please switch on. Okay. So for Pullinga, it is Yeshaha Balakaha, Saha Balakaha. For Strilingam, it is Yesha Sita, Sa Sita, or Yesha Vimala, Sa Vimala. Yesha Duravani, Sa Duravani. Yesha Churika, Sa Churika. Okay. Yesha Lekani, Sa Lekani. Lekani. So before going to the, and the parts of the face we'll also see. So people know, what do you know? Karnaha is for the ear. Can somebody tell? Whatever, Vinod Mahadev, you haven't spoken until now. Bhavan, Kripaya Vadatu, parts of the face.
Karnaha.
Samyak.
Lalataha.
Lalataha.
Lalataha. Keshaha.
Keshaha. Nasika.
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 And Jihva is the tongue. Jihva.
Netra.
Netram. Napumsakalika word. Netram.
Netram.
Hastaha.
Hasta.
Samyak. Samyak. So today we will look at do a quick recap of Strilinga Shabdas and go to Napumsakalinga Shabdas. Okay, so I'll share our screen. There are only 5 of us today. We can quickly finish our Strilinga Shabdas. So, Dhruva Mahadev, Patatu, Kripaya, Patatu.
Sa Dvichakrika.
Samyak. Lalita Mahadev.
Esha Balika.
Arthaha kaha.
That girl.
That va. Esha iti that. Athava this.
Girl.
Esha, no, close by Samipe. Sa dure. Esha balika. No problem.
This
girl. Yeah, we get confused. We'll get confused even more. Further classes will get more confused. And finally, one clarity will come. It's no problem. Then Vinod Mahadev.
Sa Utpitika. Esha Dinadarshika.
Esha Dinadarshika.
Yeah, this calendar.
Correct. Sinchana Mahadev.
Sa Javanika.
Sriram Mahodaya.
Esha Stalika. This plate.
Correct. Mayank Mahodaya. Mayanka.
एषा नौका
अर्थः कः? This boat. अर्थः इत्युक्ते meaning. Next again, whose turn is it? I'll come back to Dhruva Mahodaya, right? That's where I started.
Sa Gaika.
That
singer.
Vinod Mahodaya.
Esha Vruddha. This old woman.
Lalita Mahodaya.
Sa Pachika. That chef.
Female chef, lady chef. Sriram Mahodaya.
Sa Shikshika. That female teacher.
Sinchana Mahodaya.
Esha Balika. This girl.
Again, Dhruva Mahodaya. No, Mayank Mahodaya. Mute Mudya Astu Bhavan. Astu.
सा वैदा
Vaidya.
वैद्या
Samyak.
एषा कुञ्जिका
Kunchika. This is a key. Astu. Dhruva Mahodaya.
Esha Rangavalli.
Samyak.
This Rangoli.
Lalita Mahodaya.
Esha Karmakari.
Samyak. Vinod Mahodaya.
Sa Pipilika.
Samyak. Sinchana Mahodaya.
Esha Nyayavadini.
Pedro Mahodaya. Who else is there? Pedro Mahodaya. Looks like he can't hear me. Then Sriram Mahodaya.
Sa Lekhini. Esha Ankini. That pen, this pencil.
Sa Lekhani.
Lekhani.
Samyak. Yesha Ankani. Then whose turn is it? Again, I go to Dhruva Mahodaya. I think I have one more round is over. Dhruva Mahodaya.
Esha Kupi.
Samyak.
This bottle.
Who's next? Do you know who's next? Lalita Mahadeva.
Sa Darva.
Darvi.
Darvi. That's spoon.
Sinchana Mahodaya.
Sa Samarjani.
Sammarjani.
Sa Samarjani.
Marjani.
Marjani.
That eraser.
That is.
Esha Ankani. This pencil. I'm going a little fast because we've already covered this in last class. I want to go to Napumsakalinga fast. That's why this is primarily to improve your vocabulary. Okay. So, Nati, Vijnani, and so on. Vijnanini, Nati, Bhagini, so on. Okay. So now we'll go to the Napumsakam Lingam. So what is for Pullingam? Yeshaha, Saha. Strilingam, Yesha, Sa. For Napumsakalingam, it will be Etat, Tat. Etat, Idu, Tat, Adu, O. Okay, in Hindi I'm saying. Okay, so Pustakam. Etat pustakam, tat pustakam. Etat pustakam, tat pustakam. Etat valayam, bangle. Etat kankanam athava valayam. Tat valayam. Valayam, etat valayam, tat valayam. What else do I have for Napumsakam? I don't have anything else.
Upanetram.
Upanetram, thank you. Etat upanetram. Etat upanetram. Dure asti chet tat upanetram. Samyak. That's all. So you understood? So we'll go to the PowerPoint. Hmm. Okay. Dhruva Mohoday.
Etat
God. Something not-
Vyajanam.
Etat Vyajanam. Artah kaha?
This fan.
This fan. Dure asti chet?
Tat Vyajanam.
Samyak. Lalita Mohoday.
Tat chatram.
Hmm.
That umbrella.
Samipe asti chet?
Etat chatram.
Samyak, bahu samyak. Pedro Mohoday.
Please, would you mind to increase the zoom, please, if you don't mind? Thanks. Tat kankatam.
Tat kankatam. Artah kaha?
This is that is a comb.
Samyak. Shri Ram Mohoday.
Etat kanganam. This is a bangle.
Dure asti chet?
Tat kanganam. That is a bangle.
Samyak. Sinchana Mohoday.
Tat Pramanam.
Parnam. Pa ir naim. Parnam.
Tat Parnam.
Artah kaha?
That leaf.
Samipe asti chet?
Etat Parnam.
Samyak.
This leaf.
Samyak. Vinod Mohoday.
Tat pushpam. That flower.
Samipe asti chet?
Etat pushpam. This flower.
Samyak. Mayank Mohoday. श्रूयते नास्ति किल न श्रूयते वा अस्तु ध्रुवा महोदय
Tat Phalam.
Tat phalam, that is the fruit.
That is
Lalita Mahoday.
Etat vatayanam. This window.
Samyak. Then who is it? Pedro Mahoday.
Etat jalam. This is the sea. This is the sea.
No. Jalam, water.
Water.
Yeah, water.
Jalam water. Okay. Then available.
Samyak. Shri Ram Mahoday.
Etat vanam. This forest.
You know Paryaya Shabdaha for Vanam? You know? Anybody knows?
Paryaya Shabda means opposite, is it?
No. Synonym.
Synonym.
Aranyam.
Aranyam.
You know this place, sacred place, Naimisharanyam? So that is a forest, Aranyam. I'm just giving context, so it is easy to remember and it's interesting. Here and there, if I give some little bit of context, it will be nice.
Ramayana also, Aranya Kantam refers to this one, right?
Correct. I was waiting for somebody to tell that. Aranya Kandam, where he spends that portion of his life in the forest, Aranya Kandam. So now when somebody says Aranyam, you know it is forest. Samyak. Astu. Sinchana Mahodaya.
Etat kandukam. This ball.
Samyak. Vinod Mahodaya.
Etat Udyanam.
Udyana.
This is garden.
This is garden. You can use it for park also. Then whose turn? Dhruva Mahodaya.
Tat kridanganam. That playground.
Krida ityukte?
Play.
Krida ityukte play. Anganam is the place. Then whose turn? Lalita Mahodaya.
Tat sanganakam. That computer.
Computer, correct. Now this tat and that is very easy, you know, same, right? Tat means that only. Tat, that. Just for easy remembrance, I'm saying. Pedro Mahodaya.
Etat upanetram.
Arthaha kaha?
That is glass.
That va etat.
No, that this is glass.
This is a
Okay.
what is
Glass.
netram?
Netram.
You joined a little late, I think. I said in the beginning of the class, netram means eye. One eye is called netram.
Okay.
So upanetra means something that brings you closer, helps you see better. So that is upanetra.
Netram means eyes.
Yeah, netram is eye. Upanetra is something that helps you see closer. So it is upanetra.
Okay.
Okay. Similar shabda is upavasaha. What is upavas?
This you should
Fasting.
live with near.
Yeah, upa is always means near. Vasam means staying.
Live.
Staying, living, living. Where? Closer
God.
to closer to God. So upavasam is not simply fasting. It is like you fast and you live close to God. So that is upavasam. So now you know what is upa, right? Then Shri Ram Mahodaya.
Tat vimanam. That aircraft.
Sinchana Mahodaya.
Tat Nanakam. That coin.
Correct. Vinod Mahodaya.
That pustakam. That book.
Samipe asti che.
Etat pustakam.
Dhruva Mahodaya.
Etat mandiram. This temple.
Did everybody get a chance? I hope I'm not leaving anyone. Has anybody joined later? No. Okay, super. Lalita Mahodaya.
Etat sutram. This thread.
Samek. Pedro Mahodaya.
Etat bilang. This is a hole.
This hole. This is a hole. Atava this hole.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha. Bilam.
Dhanyavadaha.
Shri Ram Mahodaya.
Tat durdarshanam. That durdarshan means far
Seeing, correct.
Far seeing. Yeah.
So in Sanskrit, lot names are reason, karan ka shabda. So it's based on a reason. So similarly, so that's why it is called Dura Darshanam, because you see from, it's telecast from far away, right? So it is not Dur Darshanam, it is Dura Darshanam in Sanskritam. Similarly, Dura Darshanam. Similarly, the phone is called Dura Vani. Dura Vani. Vani means
Voice.
Samik. Sinchana Mahodaya.
Etat prutukam.
इत्युक्ते
This, what do they say in English?
poha or
Yeah,
puffed rice
puffed rice.
or beaten rice.
They
Rice
say
flakes.
paper. Yeah, right.
Rice flakes. Okay, अस्तु विनोद महोदय.
एतत् कृष्णफलकम्. This board.
Board. Now what
Blackboard.
is
Krishna
no
means
no.
black.
Etat is this board. Krishna
this
means what is the meaning of Krishna?
black.
Black. Palakam is
Slate kind of.
slate or board. Correct. So if I say Shweta Palakam,
Shukla.
White board.
Shukla Palakam, Shweta Palakam, all white board. Samyak. Okay. Then Dhruva Mahodaya.
Etat nakshatram. This star.
Nakshatrasya paryaya shabdah kim? Paryaya shabdah kaha, not kim. Because shabdah is pulling a shabdam. So I should say kaha. Nakshatra shabdasya paryaya shabdah kaha. Sarve paryaya synonym. Sarve jananti.
Tara.
Samyak. Netram abhavat kila. Astu. Who's Dhruva Mahodaya? You finished? No, Dhruva Mahodaya.
I finished.
Next me.
Okay, Lalita Mahodaya.
Tat netram. That eyes.
Eye. Pedro Mahodaya.
This is
Hridayam. Etat Hridayam. This is a heart.
okay. This is a heart. I was looking at the structure and it seems to be very different.
Okay. They took some anatomical picture people have taken. No problem. Etat Hridayam. Astu. Then Shriram Mahodaya.
Tat karavastram. That cloth.
Handkerchief.
Karavastram.
Now you can tell me what is kara and what is vastram.
Kara is hand.
Karaha is hand. Just like hastaha is hand, karaha is also hand. And vastram is?
Vastram is cloth.
Cloth. So any cloth. So kara vastram, a cloth that you hold in your hand. Astu, dhanyavadaha. Now enough of looking at the screen. Let's do something else. What can we do? Do we want to do a little bit of sambhashanam?
Yes.
Okay, quickly, what do I ask? Bhavan katam asti. Okay. So, no, Dhruva Mahodaya, Bhavati katam asti. I want you to tell me the meaning of the sentence.
How are you? Bhavati katham asti.
So, what is the meaning of katam in that?
Katham how?
Then Lalita Mahodaya, so now I am asking you, Bhavatyaha nama kim?
What is your name?
So what is
Feminine gender.
what is the meaning of the word kim?
What?
Submit. Pedro Mahodaya, Bhavataha Matrubhasha ka.
What is your mother tongue?
What is the meaning of the word ka?
Ka. I don't know.
Now in the sentence, in Bhavataha nama kim, what is the meaning of the word kim?
Kim means what?
Correct. It is what? Kim means what? Because nama word is neutral napumsakalingam. It's a neutral gender. So we use kim. Similarly,
Okay.
Matrabhasha is a girl word. It's a strilinga word. So we use ka for that. Ka also means what? Kim
As
is
to-
what? Ka is what? For both,
Oh.
Kim is for Napumsakam, Strilingam it is ka. And Pullingam will
Ka.
be
Kaha.
kaha. Because I keep asking you, artaha kaha, meaning what? Artaha is a Pullinga Shabda. So I say artaha kaha. Okay.
Okay, as to-
Okay. Shriram Mahodaya, Bhavan Kutra Vasati. Artaha kaha?
Where are you staying?
Kutra Shabdasya artaha kaha?
Where?
Where, Samyak. Sinchana Mahodaye. So I have asked everything, right? Okay. Okay. Bhavati Katamasti. Bhavati Katamasti. What is the meaning of that?
How are you?
What is the meaning of the word Bhavati?
Female.
Female. Correct. It's female. But what's the meaning?
You.
You, Samik. And then Vinod Mahodaya. Bhavataha Namakim. Nana, Bhavatyaha Namakim. What is the meaning of Bhavatyaha?
What is your name for female?
Bhavatyaha?
Your.
Samyak. Okay. Now we will go to, we are still in that Yeshaha, Yesha, that Yetat. We are still in that topic only. But now we are going to ask questions. Okay. So I am going to say, I don't have any ball words here. Yeah, I have a bag. Let's see. So I am going to ask, Aham Prichami, Yeshaha Kaha, Yeshaha Syutaha. Yeshaha Kaha, Yeshaha Syutaha. Saha Kaha, Saha Syutaha. Now I'm going to the question answer form. So we understand how to frame questions and answers. We have till now seen only the three genders. So we should know the name of the object. We should know whether the object is a Pullinga Shabda, Strilinga Shabda, Napumsaka Shabda. And then we should know whether it is close by or far away. And then we should use the words appropriately. This is the process. Okay, so now if I say one more example for a Strilinga Shabda. Yesha Lekani. So Yesha ka. Yesha kimva nasti. Yesha ka. Yesha Lekani. Sa ka. Sa Lekani. Sa kaha va nasti. Strilinga Shabdaha. Ataha sa ka sa Lekani. Sa kim. Can I ask sa kim? No. Sa ka sa Lekani. Astu. Etat pustakam. Etat kim? Etat kim? Etat pustakam. Tat kim? Tat pustakam. What is that? Tat pustakam. Tat ka. Can I ask? No. Tat kim? Like that. Okay. Now that I have given you some examples, each of you should give me one question answer for each of the lingas. You can think and tell me. Okay, we'll start with Dhruva Mahodaya. Question answer for each of the one object only for Strilinga, one object for Pullinga, one object for Napumsakalinga. You ask question answer for each of the words. Astu?
So like, for example, Vrikshaha.
Vrikshaha.
Eshaha kaha. Eshaha Vrikshaha. Then do I need to do Sa Vrikshaha? No. Saha kaha. Saha Vrikshaha.
Samyak. Pullingah Shabda Abhavat. Aduna Strilingah Shabda Chinotu.
Just a minute. Mala. Necklace.
Samyak.
Esha ka. Esha mala. Sa ka. Sa mala.
Samyak. Strilingah स्त्रीलिङ्गः शब्दः अभवत् नपुंसकलिङ्गे भवति वदतु
उपनेत्रम
हम्म
एतत् किम
हम्म
एतत् उपनेत्रम
हम्म
तत् किम
हम्म
तत् उपनेत्रम
सम्यक् उत्तमम् उत्तमम्
धन्यवाद
धन्यवादः ललिता महोदय भवत्याः अवसरः अधुना भवत्याः मुखं न दृश्यते मुखं ललाटः एव दृश्यते सम्यक् सम्यक्
Duravani, this is how do I know that what is feminine, masculine, and
somebody has to ask me, how do I know? Usually, when usually only, okay, lot of exceptions are there. Usually, when it ends with aha, it is a boy word. It's a pullinga word. And when it ends with a or e, a will be Radha, Kamala, whatever, or e will be Nandini, Gauri, Parvati. Like that will be Duramani. All that will be Strilinga words. When it ends with im, it is Napumsakam. Patram, Banam, Kankanam, Valayam, Netram, all the im shabdas will be Napumsakalinga words. Okay, but then there are exceptions, lots of exceptions, and best way to know is keep reading shlokas, keep reading Ramayana, Mahabharatam, whatever you get, you read like 2 sentences daily or one story online, you will figure out which is what. And there is an online website also, I will show you later, which will tell you what linga it is.
so in this case, Duravani is a feminine word, right?
Why? Because it ends with E. So
okay.
You're going to begin with Duravani, Strilinga Shabda, is it?
No, before that I have to find some masculine gender.
Correct.
What should I start?
Pustakam
is the
you can hastaha upayogam karotu hastaha.
Hastaha, okay. Yeshaha hastaha, saha hastaha.
Prashnaha pritchatu, prashnaha pritchatu.
This palm,
this is a hand.
hand, that is hand.
Samyak. Prashnaha yeshaha kaha.
Eshaha kaha.
Eshaha
hastaha. Sa kaha.
Saha kaha. Sa kadayadu.
Saha kaha. Saha hastaha.
Samyak. Pullinga shabdaha abhavat. Aduna strilinga shabdasya Duravani upayogam.
Yesha Duravani, Sa Duravani, Yesha Ka, Yesha
Ka, Yesha Ka. It rhymes, no rhyme.
Yesha Ka, Yesha Duravani, Shaka Sha Duravani.
Saka, Sa. Then Napumsakalinge?
Pustakam. Yesha Pustakam.
Etat Pustakam.
Etat Pustakam. No, Tat Pustakam. Etat Pustakam.
Always Yeshaha, Yesha, Etat as well close. Etat Pustakam.
Etat Pustakam. Tat Pustakam. Etat Kaha.
Kim.
Etat Kim. Etat Pustakam. Tat Kim. Tat Pustakam.
Aduna, next, is it a little hard? Do you want to do only one linga or is it okay?
I feel it is it develops conversation skills better.
Okay, fine. So, okay, then who wants to go next? Who's next? Vedra Mahoday? Okay, Vinod Mahoday, go ahead.
Okay. For Pullinga, Yeshaha.
Yeshaha, vadatu.
What's the word? Okay. Gataha.
Samyak. Gataha ityukte?
Yeshaha kaha.
Gataha
means a pot.
Pot. Samyak.
Saha kaha. Is that what?
Saha kaha. What is that?
What is that? Okay.
Saha
Gataha.
Yeshaha kaha. What is this? Yeshah Gataha. This is a pot. Sahakaha, Sahagataha. Pullinga Shabdaha Abhavat. Aduna Strilinga Shabdaha Vadat.
Esha ka.
Yeshaka.
Esha kupi means water bottle.
Super.
Water. Sa ka. Sa kupi.
Sa kupi. Kupi is just bottle, no? You can put water, milk, anything. Kupi is just bottle. Just confirm. Okay. Then who wants to go next? Sriram Mahodaya?
Yeah. So for pulling glass, Esha ka.
1 minute up. Pedro Mahodaya, we are not able to hear you. You're breaking. And second, Sriram Mahodaya has already started. Can you put yourself on mute? Let him finish and then you can please go ahead, okay? Because and the voice is also breaking. Sriram Mahodaya, vadatu?
Yeah. Esha chashaka, Esha kaha, Esha chashaka,
Chashakaha.
chashakaha, Sahakaha, Saha chashakaha.
Samyak. Chashakaha ityukte? Artha
Glass.
kaha?
Glass.
Samyak.
Then for striling, striling can be balika.
Samyak.
Yeah. Esha ka, Esha balika. Sa ka, sa balika.
Samyak. Strilinga Shabdaha Abhavat. Aduna Napumsakalinga vadatu.
Napumsakalinga. Etat chatram. Etat kim, etat chatram. Tat kim, tat chatram.
Samyak. Chatram ityukte?
Chatram means umbrella.
Samyak. Astu. Pedro Mahodaya, bhavatah audio samyak asti va?
Right. Can you hear me?
Now it's better.
Okay. Eshaha kaha. Eshaha balakaha.
Yeshaha?
Balakaha.
Balakaha, boy. Balakaha.
Okay, balakaha. Eshaha. Eshaha. Eshaha lata.
Yesha what?
Lata.
Balika. I can't hear you.
Yeah, I can't. Lata means limb. I don't know if I'm right. Lata.
For leaf, you want to know the word for leaf?
Limb.
Limb. Limb is angaha.
Angaha.
Boy word. Pulling a word.
Okay. And lata.
Say that again.
Lata.
Lata. Esha ka, Esha lata, sa ka, sa lata. Lata ityukte name of a girl, or lata means creeper. Creeper.
Okay. Astu.
Astu.
Esha etat kim. Etat kayanam. Yeah.
Tat kim.
Etat lekayanam.
What are you saying? Lekayanama. What is that?
Lekayanam means.
What are you trying to say?
Lekayanam. I saw it, but I forgot.
What is the meaning of the word?
The word lekayanam, bus.
Huh?
Bus. Lokayanam.
Lokayanam. Okay. Lokayanam. Public vehicle.
Okay, public vehicle. Bus.
Lokayanam, correct. Samyak, dhanyavadah Mahoday. Sinchana Mahoday.
Ha Mahoday. Pullinga. Saha kaha. Saha simmaha. Eshaha kaha. Eshaha simmaha.
Samyak. Simhaha ityukte?
Lion.
Samyak.
Strilinga. Esha ka. Esha adhyapika. Sa ka. Sa adhyapika. Adhyapika teacher.
Samyak.
Napumsakalinga. Etat kim. Etat patram. Tat kim. Tat patram. Patram letter.
Samyak. Dhanyavadah. So now we'll go to the Subhashitam. Who will tell me what is Subhashitam? Vinod Mahadaya, can you tell me what a Subhashitam means?
Means good sayings.
Correct. So Su means.
Teacher.
Yeah, go ahead.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yes, I want to know the difference between when we are talking about the female words, sometimes appears words with finish or which ends with ni, and sometimes ends with a. How can I distinguish both words?
Yeah, you will not usually words that end with a and e usually are Strilinga words, but there are exceptions. Okay. Now, if I say aham kushali asmi, kushali is a man, kushalini for a woman. So kushali, you will ask me, it ends with e, but you are saying it is the Pullingam word. But there are exceptions. You will know only by reading more, listening more. A language develops not by class, not by doing homework. You have to read and listen a lot, only then language develops. You have to go online, look at a lot of videos, look at a lot of stories, and pick it up. And read up a lot. And there are websites online which tell you what the gender is. There are a lot of websites online. If you type a word, it will tell you whether it is a Pullinga, Strilinga, or Napumsakalinga word.
Okay, Astu, Samyak.
Samyak, okay. Now I'll show you the website a little later. I'll come back to Subhashitam. Now Subhashitam, Su means good, Sushtu. Bhashitam means said well, saying. So Sushtu Bhashitam became Subhashitam, meaning good saying, something you can follow and use every day. Yeah. Okay. So who's going to read this? Use Subhashitam for the day.
I can read.
Please go ahead.
Udyamenaiva siddhyanti karyani na manorathaiha manorathaihi nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha.
Udyamenaiva siddhyanti karyani na manorathaihi nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. This is the Bhagavad Gita tune. You can sing it in many other tunes. This is the only tune that I know. But it's the same meter, same number of letters. So it fits in many tunes. Anyways, so I will go ahead and tell the meaning of what this is. It is telling you have to put effort to get something in life. Just because your your mind has a lot of desires, ratas, manorathahi, just because that all your karyani, all your work will not get accomplished. You need what? Udyamena. You need effort. Udyamenaiva eva. Udyamena eva siddhyanti. Only through effort, siddhyanti. What gets fulfilled? All your work, all the things that you want, all your work, all your karyani fulfills only through effort. not through just thinking about it and then thinking. There is a story, no? One guy buys a pot and he builds a whole house with that pot, with the pot, just through dreams. So for that, the second line is an example, an analogy, where Simhaha is a lion. Suptaha means sleeping. In a sleeping lion, mouth. Sleeping lion's mouth. Mukham here means mouth. Mukham in Sanskrit has two meanings. One meaning is face, another meaning is mouth. Here it is mouth. In a sleeping lion's mouth, animals will generally not walk inside. Okay, come and eat me. Mrigaha, animals, na pravishanti. They will not enter inside. It has to go and attack and prey and catch the lion. Similarly, for us, our deeds, whatever we think, tomorrow I have to learn Sanskrit means today we have to put effort. Like that, for all of us in everything. So Manorataihi, just by mental thoughts, nothing happens, only through effort. Okay. Any question? Any question? Okay, the Siddhi, the Siddh, where did we learn today? Who can tell me?
In Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti.
Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kurmedeva, Sarvakaryeshu. It's not there.
Namastubhyam.
Tell me. Saraswati, Namastubhyam.
Saraswati Namastubhyam. Varde Kamarupini. Vidyarambham Karishyami. Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada.
Siddhi. Siddhi is always what? It is accomplishment. So the same word has come here, Siddhi. Siddhyanti, accomplishment, fulfillment, like that. Okay. Then this Pravishanti. What is the meaning of Pravishanti?
Enter.
Enter. Now, when we do, what is our, usually when we do a housewarming, we buy a house and do puja and we enter the house, no? What is the name of that ceremony?
Griha Pravesha.
Griha?
Pravesha.
Pravesha. Same thing, see? Pravishanti. It's the same word. Pravishanti. That only. It's the same. I'm telling trying to compare everything to real world, so it is easier to remember. That is all I'm trying to do. Pravishanti is enter. Praveshaha is a noun form of that word. This is a verb form. Okay. Na, what is na?
Not.
Not, correct. So this one is a analogy, an example for this. Okay. Now what else do we do? Yeah, so last class we learned a story, right? We were reading one story. Actually, today's class I thought we'll read a new story, but then last class itself I thought that
Mahoti, sorry, I have a question.
Vadatu?
In that Subhashitam, it says Udhyame Naiva, and the next word is Siddhyanti. So here, why there is one time it is combined, there is combined, other next word it is separately, like half the and the years return.
This is where another the.
Oh, this okay, okay, got it. Yeah,
got it.
Okay.
What was the previous Subhashitam? There you will have Vasudha eva kutumbakam, Vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Similarly, Udyamenaiva siddhyante. There also Vasudha eva, Bhumi itself, Mother Earth itself is the family. Here, Udyamenaiva eva, the same eva is coming. When we compare and learn, no, then you tend to learn more. Okay, so last class we learned the story. Today I have just typed it out without the pictures, so to see whether we are able to read and understand. I thought of taking up another story, but then I thought the story itself has a lot of things to for us to learn again. So that's why I typed it out. And since there is no picture, let's see how much we are able to get it. Dhruva Mahoday, we'll finish with the story today. I think that's all I have. Let's see. Dhruva Mahoday.
जी चतुरः काकः
अर्थः अपि वदतु.
clever crow.
Clever crow. Samyuk. Okay. Then Lalita Mahoday.
एकः काकः.
एकः काकः अस्ति.
एकः काकः अस्ति.
अर्थः?
There was a,
there is a crow.
There is crow.
There is one crow.
One crow.
Yeah, don't be scared of this. It is a little difficult for the 4th class, but then the more we look at it, the more we'll grasp. That's the whole idea. Rather than me saying A, B, C, D and go into verbal and noun and all that, this approach also, immersive approach helps. Okay. Lalita Mahodaya is over. Pedro Mahodaya.
Would you mind to use this one? I can't see it very well.
दृश्यते वा? दृश्यते वा?
Okay. Asti.
That is over. Next sentence.
Tada Grishma Kalaha.
Tada Grishma Kalaha. Kalaha is time. Tada Grishma Kalaha. That time it was summer. It was summer. Ekaha Kakaha asti. There is a crow. Tada Grishma Kalaha. At that time it was summer. Okay.
Okay.
Submit. Shri Ram Mahodaya.
Kakasya pipasa. The crow was thirsty.
Kagatukku dagam. Crow's thirst. This is the exact meaning. Crow's thirst. But it makes a full sentence. In English, it sounds like it's not a full sentence, but in Sanskrit,
Kakasya pipasa.
Kakasya pipasa. Next. Sinchana Mahoday.
Jalam avashyakam. The crow avashyakam. The crow needed water.
Water was necessary. Yes.
Water was.
Samyak. Vinod Mahodaya.
Atra pashyati. It looked nearby water.
Atra is here.
Here.
Atra pashyati. It sees here.
Yeah.
Correct. And read the next one also. Vinod Mahodaya, read this also.
Jalam nasti. Water, no water.
There was no water. Dhruva Mahodaya, read the next two.
Tatra pashyati jalam nasti.
He saw there.
He saw there no water.
There was no water. So atra is here, tatra was there. Okay. Then Lalita Mahodaya.
Putrani jalam. I need to move the other side. Like I can see only up to Kutrani. Kutrapi jalam. Yeah. Kutrapi jalam nasti.
You could.
Kutrapi, nowhere.
Nowhere. See, without me telling me, you told me the meaning of the word. Nowhere.
Jalam, water, nasti.
Not there.
Not able to find. Nowhere.
Not there. Yes, correct.
Not there.
And this thing, no, that thing that you asked me to move, you yourself can move on your screen. That is allowed.
Oh, okay, okay.
I'm just telling you. Then whose turn is it next? Pedro Mahodaya.
Kakak
Gachati. Kakaha kashtaha, kashtena, with difficulty. Bahuduram, far away it went. Kakaha with difficulty went very far away. For what? In search of water to drink, because it was summertime. Okay. Then Sri Ram Mahodaya.
Atra saha ekam gatham pashyati. There
He
ekam one pot pashyati saw.
So saha,
there he saw one pot.
correct. Saha is our saha only. Saha, sahakaha, sahakakaha. Okay. Next, Sinchana Mahodaya.
Kakasya ativa santoshaha. The crow ativa, more happy.
So Kakasya ativa santoshaha. Kaka became very happy. If you were to translate this in Hindi, how would it be? Sinchana Mahodaya, you know Hindi?
Kaka bahut खुशी
हुई. Okay, that's the construction. Okay, then Hindi doesn't follow directly Sanskrit.
संतोष हुआ.
काका बहुत संतोष हुआ माँ. Okay.
कौवे को बहुत संतोष हुआ.
कौवे को. Okay, that ko only is his. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then Vinod Mahodaya.
किन्तु घटे स्वल्पम एव जलम अस्ति. But in the pot swalpam means little, eva jalam, little jalam asti is there.
What is eva?
It's telling jalam, little jalam.
Only. Little only. Okay. Udyamenaiva yena eva vasudha eva kutumbakam. That eva only. Yeah. So kintu correct. You said but in the pot little water only is there. Samek. Dhruva Mahodaya.
काकः किं करोति.
काकः किं करोति.
What will that crow do?
What will the crow do? Now there is very little water in the pot. Lalita Mahodaya.
Jalam katham pibami.
What is the meaning of katham? We already know what is katham.
How?
Bhavati katham asti. That katham. How? Jalam katham pibami.
How can I drink?
How can I drink? So it became me here. Till now it was talking kaka, he did this, so it was ti. Here it is me, because he's saying, how will I drink it? So it is jalam katham pibami. How will I drink? Read this also, Mahodaya.
Iti kakah chintayati. This is what crow thinking.
Thus thought the crow. Yes. Iti means thus. This is what. Okay. Next, Pedro Mahodaya. Kakah chaturaha. Kakah, the crow is clever. Yeah. Chaturaha means clever, intelligent, smart, everything. So Kakah chaturaha. Read the next one also.
The next one.
Saha
ekam upayam
karoti. Samyak. Saha ekam upayam karoti. He makes a plan. One plan. Upayam, solution. Athava plan. He makes a plan. Okay. Shri Ram Mahodaya.
Shilakandam Anayati. Brings a piece of stone.
Read the other next one line also, Mahoday.
Gate Stapayati. Puts it in the water.
Gate.
Puts it in the pot.
Shila, correct. Shilakandam Anayati, Gate Stapayati. Okay, then next. Whose turn is it? Sinchana Mahoday.
Punaha gachati Shilakandam Anayati. Punaha again Gachayati
went again.
Went again. Shilakandam stone Anayati bought.
Samyak.
Gate Stapayati it placed inside the pot.
Correct. Super. This sta, no, this comes in the Bhagavad Gita. This sta. Arjuna will say, Dhruva Mahoday, you know Bhagavad Gita? Somebody told me here. So in chapter 1, he'll say, Arjuna will say, go place my, Krishna place my chariot between the two army fields. There he will say, Stapaya. I don't remember the exact, like, place my chariot there, he will say.
He will say, just give me 2 minutes. I'll just let you know.
No problem. I mean, I'm just, if it's on your mind, then you can tell me. Otherwise, no problem. We'll research next class also and tell you. Both of us will find out.
Yeah, thank you. Just a minute.
Now I have kindled your interest. Okay. Okay. I'll go ahead to the next person. I'm sorry I said this. Looks like she's gone. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm deviating. But Lalita Mahoday.
Can I say it?
Yeah, please go ahead. Please, if you're here, please.
It is Senayor Ubhayor Madhye Sthapayitva Rathottamam.
Senayor Ubhayor Madhye Sthapayitva Rathottamam. So he'll say, between the two armies, place my chariot. I want to see both sides and fight, create a strategy and fight properly. There he'll say Sthapaya. The sta word is a very powerful word. It means firmly established and standing there. We will see a lot of examples more. The more I have to do even more research to find out. The sta you will find at many places, meaning very rooted and placed firmly.
Is it something related to stambam when you say it is a pillar, tune? So it is stapitam.
I think that, yeah, it's a really good question, but I think stambam is a different tha, isn't it? Isn't stambam?
It is the same stambam. Stamba.
It's the same tava. Then it is highly possible it is the same tava. Very good question, Lalita Mahoday. I will take a note of it and I will tell you.
Thank you.
It is a same thing. It will be related. Okay, I'll write it down. Mostly these words, no, it comes from the same root. Okay. Okay, sorry. Let's go ahead and finish the story. I hope all of you don't mind me. You know, I always think I should take a class on all this bhakti and scriptures and read and all that. Okay, whose turn is it? Lalita Mahoday, whose turn is it?
I think it is Dhruva Mahoday.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
Punaha gachati.
Punaha gachati. Again, it's the same thing. Yes. Punaha shilakandam anayati.
Punaha shilakandam anayati.
Punaha
ghate sthapayati. So placed it again and again in the pot.
Samyak. Okay. Then Shri Ram Mahoday.
Lalit, it's me.
Lalita Mahoday.
Jalam upari agachati. It came up and up. Upari means extra. It comes up.
Up. Upari means up.
Up. Okay.
Up.
The water came up and up.
Correct. Samyak. Then Shri Ram Mahodaya.
Kakah santoshena jalam pibati. The crow happily drinks the water.
Samyak. Then Sinchana Mahodaya.
Anyatra gacchati Kakah Chaturaha.
No. That Vinod Mahodaya will read. Anyatra gacchati, please tell me the meaning.
The crow went somewhere else.
Anyatra
somewhere. Gacchati went.
Correct. Then Vinod Mahodaya.
Kakah Chaturaha Kila.
Killer. What is the meaning?
How?
Katam is how. Killer. Isn't the crow intelligent? Isn't it?
Okay.
Hannah.
Okay.
That is, isn't it? Killer, isn't it? Okay, this small story, it's a small story, but still a lot of words which we can learn. If this story, if you master itself, there is a present tense you can, I would say, is mostly covered. Okay, so any other questions you have? That's all I had for today.
Just a correction, it is tamba, so it is the other not not th, only the.
So that's what I had a doubt. Okay, now that this has come up, I want to show you all the website where you can, for now, use. One second. It is a website where you can, it's called learnsanskrit.cc. You can use that to search a word's meaning, and you can also see, suppose I say English to Sanskrit and I say pillar. See, pillar comes here, and then see at the bottom it says all the words for pillar: stamba, seema stamba, boundary pillar, vali, yashti, stuna, all this. So stamba, see, it's the second the, the first the, so it is not related to stapaya. Okay, it's not related to stapayati. So this website, you can always, and here if you see, it says M, meaning masculine, stamba is stambaha. Vali means feminine, if for people who want to know what gender this is. And you can type anything, you can do Sanskrit to English and English to Sanskrit. And if you want to type in Sanskrit, there is always Lexi Logos, which is a website where you can type. I can show you that also. I think I showed it in a previous class.
Mahoday, I think sthana, it's coming from sthana, I think, the stapa, stapayati. Sthana means, I think, place, no?
Sthanam is place, correct.
So sthanam, if you see that pillar meaning, there was sthanam there. The other tha was the sthanam, down.
Sthanu, that is a different nu, no? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, sthanu. So for place also we say sthan, no? Normally sthan.
Correct. Rajasthan.
Yeah, so maybe it is coming from stapayati, may be coming from this sthan, from the place.
That is not from this word. What you are saying could be true, Mahodaya, but what I am trying to say is here, this is the second, the other na here. In Stan, in Stan we use the other na.
Correct, but I'm saying for the sta, not for the na.
That is possible, highly possible. That is possible. Thala, Stapanam, Stapayati. See, Mahodaya. Stapayati, verb causal, place.
Yeah.
But this place is putting it. Place on an object. Let me see. Yeah, I will ask this whether this sthana comes from sta. I'll ask that. That's also a good question. I'll ask whether sthan, our Rajasthan and all, comes from stapayati. So I will also learn. This is the way we learn, it registers and it's fun also. Okay. So, did you see my any Lexilogos site where you can type? And is my screen visible? You can type here whatever you want. I don't know. Kakaha maybe. Kakaha. Putra gachati. Like that. Okay, now we saw many tra words today, no? Let's ask this. What were the tra words we saw?
Atra.
Atra. Samyak. Atra ityukte?
Chatram.
Here.
Atra here. Then there.
Tatra.
Tatra. Atra is here. Tatra is there.
Yeah.
Then Putra is
Where?
where? Putra is where? Then
Anyatra.
Anyatra. Samyak. Anyatra. Nowhere. Elsewhere. Anyatra, elsewhere. So from the story itself, you've learned all these tra words. And Chatram is definitely a tra word. It's a noun. These are abhyayas, consonants, which we will anyways learn in those classes.
Kutrapi we've learned.
Kutrapi. Kutrapi meaning?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Samyak. I'm so proud of all of you. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Any other questions?
I just have a question in the Subhashitam. Why is it Swalpa? Alpa means short or small in itself, right? So why do we say Swalpa? Alpa in the Subhashitam, I think it was there.
I don't think you can break that, Mahodaya. Swalpam itself is a word.
Swalpam is a word itself, huh?
Yes. I don't think you can
Because
break.
I thought Alpa means short, small, and then Swalpam in the story, right? It was there, I think. Kakaha story, Swalpam
Swalpam Jalvam Eva Asti. It was there in the story. It was there in the story. But
it could not be Alpa Jalam Asti. Alpam Jalam.
Definitely it can be Alpam. Alpam also is less, Swalpa is also less. But I don't think you can break this as Su and Alpa. But that also is a good question. Because from whatever I know, it itself is a own word.
Okay.
But I'll ask that.
Is it Alpam is little and Swalpam is very little?
I don't think so, Mahoday. I think it's both is the same. But we can find that also. Why leave it? Alpa. No, that's also same only. Small, little. It's both mean the same actually. But I will. It could be very little Swalpam also. And I will ask whether Swalpam comes from Alpa. So Stan and Stapeti Su Alpa. I will remember this. I've written it down. Super. Awesome questions.
Thank you.
Anything else? Okay. Can Vinod Mahodaya do the Pratna Shloka?
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you so much.